Hello friends, welcome to Supreme Steno classes. Guys, be ready for a special dictations which is especially for Patna High Court steno skill examinations. So be ready guys, 5 seconds. A committee appointed by National Green Tribunal NGT has suggested imposing environmental compensation against construction on Ravindranath Tagore Beach in Karwar, violating Coastal Regulatory Zone CRZ rules. The panel in its report submitted to the NGT said that development activities taken up on the bench and on the Kali River bank are in operation. During the committee members' visit to the beach, plastic littering was observed near the beach, and therefore the town, municipal corporation and tourism department may be directed to maintain cleanliness on the beach and make plastic free beach, the panel said. The southern bench of the NGT formed a panel seeking a report after hearing a petition alleging several buildings and structures came up on the beach in violation of Coastal Regulatory Zone norms. The panel in its report pointed out that overflow from a shock pit from a hotel was passing towards the beach. The town municipal corporation may be directed to initiate action against defaulters. The panel also said that the NGT may issue directions to concerned department so that no developmental activities take place in future without obtaining necessary clearance under Coastal Regulatory Zone regulations from Karnataka State Coastal Zone Management Authority. The panel said that adventure sports, hostel buildings, food court, rock garden and drive-in hotel came up on the bench, citing some of the structures that floated CRZ norms. The panel suggested imposing rupees 40 lakh environment compensation against the violators. The committee observed that there was no destruction of any trees, no existence of sand dunes as per the approved Coastal Zone Management Plan CZMP, and loss of ecology due to the illegal constructions. Hence, there is no question of damage caused to the environment on account of such illegal constructions. However, the compound walls of the rock garden food court are the obstacles for the free flow of water during the high tide. As a disciplinary action against the illegal constructions without obtaining clearance in the tune with CRZ rules 2011 and to discourage such illegal constructions in future, the committee failed to impose environmental compensation, the panel said. Stop. सो गाइज ये डिक्टेशन था, होप सो आप इसे अच्छे से ट्रांसक्राइब कीजिएगा और अपने एरर को चेक कीजिएगा, जो कि बहुत ही नेसेसरी है एक स्टेनोग्राफर के लिए। और यदि किसी भी प्रकार के स्किल रिलेटेड क्यूरीज है और सजेशंस है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। और यदि आपको डिक्टेशन पसंद आ रहा है तो आप चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।